Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Post Market Analysis. Today is Sunday, March 24th, 2024. Right now it's already 9:52 p.m. and it's a bit late. Would like to get this one done. So overnight on Thursday night, market trying to go up, but it was not able to kind of get above this zone, and it came back down. It almost touched the the lower zone here, but before that it only kind of went back up to touch that above zone. Actually, it make a new high. However, it's not able to kind of go any further, and it ended up kind of coming back down. And as we can see here, by the open is kind of somewhat flat. So let's come over here on the SPX. So market kind of like an open flat, and actually that's somewhat it wasn't able to go even above here, 52.45, and then it have been kind of going down here. It's kind of like the continuation from of the downside from Thursday, and it retested this low. It actually make a lower low. Actually, this one is a lower low. So only to see it kind of went above here, and it make a higher high, and at the end of the day, it kind of come back down here again and close below 52.35. So to me, that's a pretty bearish close, and it's like it almost like showing that it picked one side already, which is below this midpoint. When I say midpoint, this is the midpoint between the high and the opening, the closing of Wednesday. So this also, especially this kind of the big flush here. This is one, and this is the other one. Now, future had already opened, and it looks to me it's like it continued to show that similar movement on Friday night, like the Thursday night. And if we look at here, that Thursday night, it tried to go above but was not able to. Except this time is more bearish than Thursday night, because this is a next level here. Then compared to Thursday night, it's up. It's equivalent to this level, so higher level. So it will be interesting to see that where markets are going to do. And Monday typically is a melting pot of lots of ideas. And is it going to pick a direction with these kind of 2 days small range? I got a feeling that I don't know, but I just feel like based on the closing, the bearish closing, and also this is like the future opening so far. It's not that upbeat, I'll put it that way. And it could be continue such kind of move and drifting down, and probably going to be have another day pretty small range, and it'll be interesting to see. And in terms of next week, So next week it seems like there are lots of economic calendar like a data going to be released. And another thing is it's end of the quarter, and this is March 29th also is a holiday. So I guess the volume going to be slower. I mean, it will be lower, and it could be pretty volatile next week, considering it's like the end of the quarter, and they'll probably likely have more like a movement and chopping around. So let's see. Go ahead to look at the calendar, and as it highlighted here is like you have a PCE price, personal incomes and spending, and speeches by Fed officials, and have like a durable good orders, and also fourth quarter GDP growth, and Chicago board consumer confidence, corporate profits, and also the home sales data. So let's quickly see how it stack up. And to save the time, I'm going to go through all of them. So for Monday is it seems like the first one is 8:25 a.m. That's a speech from Fed Bostic, and then also have some like a Fed data national activity index, and 10 o'clock have the home sales data, and 10:30 have another Fed data, which is a manufacturing index, and another speech from Fed Cook at 10:30, and then 11:30 there's as usual there's Treasury bill auctions, and 1 o'clock have a 2-year note auction. And it seems like after the market close at night at 10:20 there's also building permits data release. So just a quickly glance through, it seems like Tuesday going to have like a durable good orders, and have home prices, more like a Fed data release here, and like crude oil, treasury auctions as usual. So Wednesday Wednesday is kind of not that important, it seems like. But there is a Fed World speech that's at 6 p.m. And then Thursday have it seems like this is going to be a pretty important one. Is a GDP growth, and also jobless claims, and there's some PCE data coming out here as well, and home sales data. And interesting, there's like these kind of crops data, like the plantings and also the inventory. And then Friday, and as we see earlier, that's like the market will close. And pretty interesting, this is a very important data will come out on Friday. So that's kind of pretty tricky. So there's a PCE data come out, and it looks pretty important. And then also 11:30 have the Fed Chair Powell speech. So the market closed, but I believe the futures market will open. So it will be interesting to see that Friday how things kind of are going to work. With that said, just be careful next week. And I personally, unless it could go above this 52.50, I would say 52.43. Let's just say 52.45. If we say it cannot go above this level, then market likely going to stay below here and probably trying to find a bottom somewhere. So it will be it could be interesting to see the coming week, and it could be pretty choppy and difficult one. So maybe the best is to take a vacation next week. Okay, and with that said, probably don't read too much about whatever the opinion that I express here, and keep that in mind. And just if say it's not unfolding like that, then definitely go with the market. So with that said, best of wishes to all of you, and may you be with the energy all time. Thank you.